Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Plantation Village, located in St. Anne on Jamaica's scenic north coast, is a highly sought after gated community offering the opportunity for homeowners to realize their dream home. Approximately 15 to 20 minutes from Ocho Rios, Plantation Village provides convenient access to major tourist attractions and pristine beaches, ensuring the best of both tranquility and leisure activities. The property being constructed features a well thought out design combining sophistication with functionality. It sits on almost a third of an acre. It includes a large primary suite, two additional bedrooms, each equipped with its own ensuite bathroom, and a self-contained studio with separate access, which can also function as a fourth bedroom or generate rental income. Emphasizing on open concept layout, the residence boasts modern and tasteful living and dining areas, seamlessly integrated with an exquisite kitchen. The living area extends gracefully into a spacious courtyard, perfect for relaxation, outdoor dining, and social gatherings. The property offers a turnkey solution, eliminating the hassle of building. Target completion of this property is December 2024. Rendered images depict the proposed design of the home. Submit your offer today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $749,000 or Jamaican $115.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.